Hello? What the deal? Big. I got 2 phones, one for the plug and one for the load. I got 2 phones, one for the
Taylor against 6'5" is ball, 210 pounds, and down he goes.
And Tyus Bowser now has got to the guard twice. That's 81. The guard under pressure. The guard
Throws intercepted at the 17-yard line. And a short one back. Wow. Tyus Bowser makes another play again.
and Bowser right now is simply the game changer.
Retreating Tyus Bowser.
Been rushing the quarterback. He has an interception. Now he takes Sell down the field. I mean, that's outstanding play by Bowser.
Around, they will need 12 yards. There's Tyus Bowser again. Tyus Bowser has the card for the big loss on the sack.
Call my doggy, say it's all the way retarded. Keep the all cause I am not using the form. In kitchen, I just finished up a new perform. Hater, wish you well. I got clientele. I just got it off the scale. I got 2 phones, one for the plug and one for the load. I got 2 phones, one for the then one for the dough. Think I need 2 more.
Scored 10 points. Mayfield lost the ball. Look at this right here. Tried to step up in the pocket. It's a great hand right there from Tyus Bowser.
Harrington will carry it. He's going backwards. Tyus Bowser there to wrap him up and throw him down for a loss.
There they go again.
No place to go, and he's taken down. And it's Bowser again.
And a sack here. Just beating the double team, coming inside of the offensive tackle and not letting the guard put him
Harrington to his left. Harrington will carry. Runs into Bowers.
Trailing 7-0. That pass was deflected. Short game. Tyus Bowser read it perfectly.
Pressure here's 81. Tyus Bowser. He's going to blitz right into this play. Running back turns around. He's right there immediately and able to get him on the ground.
And off. And in trouble to get out. And they say safety.
Second down. Some pressure on Bowser. Back in the Houston lineup has a sack. Tyus Bowser. Welcome out.
And once again, Jackson just heaved that one up.
From your Barbie doll. When she around me, she know I'm her bodyguard. Money calling for me, baby girl.
Intentional grounding on the offense. Difficulty turns the end zone. Like the play.
Conversation costs a lot of chips. She don't really get a lot of this. Engaging where I'm gazing at her hip. Ain't nobody making no attempt. Amazing clip, hanging, slanging. Maybe we could make it take a trip. Maybe I was thinking to a date. Phone ringing, hold up.
Bowser there. Day long. Motion. Good receiver. But Christian Chapman is sacked by Bowser.